Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Simply Prisha. Today we are going to do one of the simplest activity with this alphabet. So let's start. For this we need to draw two circles. Here we are going to put only straight alphabets and here only curve. And we will also use our magnetic numbers as well.
And I need to tell you one thing. अगर आपके पास line वाले भी और curve वाले तो आपको हम बीच में रखेंगे.
Yes, let's start. So first this letter N. Where it will go?
It's line, so it will go here.
It will go only in straight.
Yes.
Okay.
And it's also straight and will go with this.
Good.
So J is Y.
So J has curve and the straight line as well, so it comes here.
So Y.
Y.
Is full of straight lines, so we will put here on the straight. F also straight. X also straight. B is curve and straight because it has line and curve. Okay.
U
Curve.
curve, so it will lines and curve both. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so here our activity is finished. All the straight alphabets and numbers are here, and the curves are here, and the numbers and alphabets which contains curves and straight line both, these are here. So do try this fun activity at your home.